Home security is one of the most important priorities for homeowners. While many people invest in alarm systems, cameras, and motion lights, one area that often gets overlooked is the windows. Old, worn-out windows can create vulnerabilities that make it easier for intruders to enter a home. Installing replacement windows in Frisco is a practical way to strengthen your home's protection while also improving comfort and efficiency. Modern replacement windows are designed with advanced materials and security features that help homeowners feel more confident about the safety of their property. Upgrading outdated windows can make a noticeable difference in both security and peace of mind. Stronger materials provide better protection. Older windows, especially those with aging frames or thin glass, can become weak over time. Wooden frames may rot, aluminum frames may bend, and single-pane glass can break easily. These issues make it easier for someone to force entry. Replacement windows in Frisco are built using durable materials such as reinforced vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. These materials are designed to resist warping, cracking, and damage caused by weather or aging. Many modern windows also include double or triple pane glass that is much stronger than older single-pane designs. This added durability makes it significantly harder for intruders to break through. Some replacement windows also include laminated or tempered glass. Laminated glass holds together even when cracked, while tempered glass is designed to resist impact. Both options help increase the security level of your home. Advanced locking systems increase safety, and another key advantage of modern replacement windows is improved locking technology. Many older windows rely on basic latches that can wear out over time or be easily forced open. New replacement windows often come with multi-point locking systems that secure the window at several points along the frame. This makes it far more difficult for someone to pry the window open from the outside. Some window designs also include reinforced locking mechanisms that are integrated into the frame itself, providing an extra layer of protection. These modern locking systems are not only more secure but also easy for homeowners to operate, making it simple to keep windows locked when they are not in use. Better window fit reduces security risks as homes age. Window frames can shift slightly due to settling or weather exposure. This can create gaps between the window and the frame, making the window easier to force open. Loose or poorly fitting windows also compromise insulation and overall home comfort. Installing replacement windows in Frisco ensures a precise fit for your home. Professional installation eliminates gaps and ensures the window sits securely within the frame. A properly fitted window is far more resistant to tampering and adds to the overall strength of the structure. A tighter fit also prevents drafts, moisture intrusion, and outside noise, adding comfort while improving security. Improved visibility around your home. Clear, modern windows can also improve visibility inside and outside your home. Older windows often become cloudy or scratched over time, reducing your ability to see what's happening outside. Replacement windows provide clearer glass and better natural light, allowing homeowners to easily monitor their surroundings. When combined with outdoor lighting or security cameras, clear windows can help create a safer environment. Improved visibility also allows neighbors or passers-by to see activity around your home, which can discourage potential intruders. Increased home value and peace of mind. Beyond security improvements, replacement windows add long-term value to your home. Buyers often look for properties that already include modern, energy-efficient windows. Knowing that the windows are secure and durable can make a home more attractive on the market. For current homeowners, the biggest benefit is peace of mind. Stronger materials, better locks, and professional installation all work together to create a safer living space. Upgrading to replacement windows in Frisco is more than just a home improvement project. It is a smart investment in the safety, comfort, and long-term value of your home. By replacing outdated windows with modern, secure designs, homeowners can take an important step toward protecting what matters most.